Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Windows 11 emojis. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system fully loads. Give it a moment to boot up completely so everything runs smoothly during this process. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, you'll need to open any text document for demonstration purposes. This could be a Word document, Notepad, or any other text editor where you can type and insert emojis. Having a text field open is essential because it allows you to access and use the emoji menu properly. Now, here's where the magic happens. To open your emoji menu in Windows 11, press and hold down the Windows key on your keyboard, then press the semicolon key. This keyboard shortcut instantly brings up the emoji panel, giving you access to a wide variety of emojis right at your fingertips. From here, the process of changing and selecting emojis is quite straightforward. You'll notice several categories at the bottom of the emoji menu. These categories help organize emojis by type, such as smileys, animals, food, activities, and more. Simply click on any of these bottom categories to change the list of emojis presented. This makes it easy to browse through different emoji groups and find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. When you find an emoji you like, inserting it into your text document is incredibly simple. Just double-click on the emoji you want to use, and it will instantly appear in your text field. You can insert as many emojis as you want by repeating this process, making your messages more expressive and fun. And that's it. You now know how to access and change between different emoji categories in Windows 11, making it easy to add personality to your documents and messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.